hmm I know y'all probably read the thumbnail. I know, and I bet, and I for sure with bet, no, y'all probably read the thumbnail. What's good, YouTube? What's going on, people? How is everybody doing out there? How everybody doing out there, man? How is everybody doing out there? Have you ever felt so fucking confident after losing a trade? Does your mentor feel so confident after losing an inch, after losing a trade? Something subjective, I bet. So let's go with y'all once again. How is everybody doing? How everybody doing out there? I guess we're having a great trading week. I started off my week in losses, but that's not the case. And it is what it is. Y'all probably know I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna come back with some real fight. You feel me? So this is your boy Hardy. And I'm back again with another video. So today's video, people, it's been a while since I shared how I fucking took a loss. It's been a while since I fucking shared how I took a loss. On my YouTube, it's been a while. On my Instagram, it's been a while. My WhatsApp, Facebook. What other social media platform do I use? I use WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube. Yeah, those three social media platforms. It's been a while since I shared how a nigga took a loss. So today I wanna share how I took this loss. I was never right. I was never wrong. The market didn't favor me. The market favored me. It is what it is, people. It is what it is. The only thing that I'm gonna keep on doing is to just keep on trading my plans and stick on to my trading setups and just keep on trading my strategy and my system. You feel me? So people, I wouldn't even take time on this video. I just want to break down and share this video how I took a loss so y'all can learn something from this. You feel me? It's not a matter of me lacking patience. It's not a matter of me over trading. A matter of me being in pain, of me having FOMO, me being greedy, or me just not being a good trader in general. You feel me, people? But in this instance, I just want to let y'all see that like you can be right and still be wrong and still be right at the end of the day. You feel me? Let me repeat this. You can be right and still be wrong and be right at the end of the day. This is what happened right here. You feel me? So enough of the capping, more action. So I don't even need to use the 4 hour or any other time frame because those are the only time frames that I've been working on. You feel me, people? Those are the only time frames that I've been working on. Those are the only two time frames that I've been working on. You feel me? So I took two entries, people. I took two entries at the same zone, at the same, okay, I took two entries, right? Same zone, same level, just a different time, right? So when we look at this, right? Okay, it's a 38 pip loss with a 158 pip target profit, right? So let me remove this for now. So on our outlook, we did indicate the like prices trading on our what? Prices trading on our support, right? So with price having to trade on our support, the only thing I said on my outlook, I'm looking for continuations to the upside. So me waking up yesterday, people, me waking up yesterday, I woke up, price was trading around that zone. 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m. Between the three, I just forgot. I saw price trading on this very same zone. So with the buy or the longs, with the long positions or the buy positions I was looking to take, I saw price trading above this zone. I saw price trading high, right? So now with price trading high, the only thing I did, I was like with now this zone, because now price once had this because now price once had this lower low and lower high and new lower low right there. The only thing I say is if price fails to break this zone and if price pulls back and gives me some sort of depletion in and around this zone, then I'd look forward for continuations to the upside with a what? With a head and shoulders pattern, with a inverse head and shoulders pattern. You can go check out my previous video on my favorite trading patterns, which I'll forever trade with. So now I was like, if price comes back to this zone and gives me signs that we're failing to break, I'd look forward for reversals to the upside with the inverse head and shoulders, right? But now, when you got to this zone, right, price had an impulsive bear engulfing candlestick on our London Open. So on our 9 a.m. Our London Open is now 9 a.m. People, daylight savings have changed. Don't forget that daylight saving times have changed. 9 a.m. is our London Open. 15:30 is our New York Open, right? So 9 a.m. price did what? The price had a bear candle close with a potential double top, right? With a bear candle, we anticipate a continuation. But we know that we have a zone which we're looking to be bullish on or from, right? So now with a bear engulfing candlestick, which impulsively pulled back to our zone, right? With a bear candlestick, which impulsively pulled back to our zone, right? Let me repeat. With a bear candlestick, which impulsively pulled back to our zone. With now price coming back to the zone, the only thing I was looking for now, it was for this bear candle to close above 1. So the first thing I was looking for is that if this candlestick closes above the zone, I would look for signs that like price will continue or reverse to the upside. The second thing is if I get a bear candle close, if I get a bullish candle close from this bear candle close above our zone, the coming candle, if we get a bullish close above our very same zone, then I would continue bullish. You follow me, people? So I had 3 confluences in this one. The first one was if price is having some sort of depletion in the zone I'm looking to be bullish from, I would anticipate what an inverse head and shoulders. 2, if the candlestick closes above our zone, I would look for signs that price might be reversing bullish. 3, if we get a bullish candle close above our very same zone, then I'm going all in that trade. So I had 3 confluences, but I was sticking to 2. 1, a close above, and a bullish candle close above, which are the 2 influences, right? So now, when those candlestick came now, boom, trading below, right? So when this candlestick opened fully bearish, right, the only thing I waited for, it was for once this candlestick reverses and trades bullish, then I'm going in an anticipation of what? Of price moving to the downside with a bear candle open and a bullish candle close, anticipation of a what? Of a reversal to the upside, right? And that was it. There was nothing else for me, and there was nothing more for me. You feel me, people? So when we took an entry, the first entry, that was once the candlestick turned and traded bearish, right? That was my first entry. I think it was somewhere right there, right? Because now the only thing I was focusing on, it was for price to give me what? A confirmation that we are having signs that we're failing to break. With a bear candle close and a bullish close, that was it. There wasn't nothing else for me. There wasn't nothing more for me. So unfortunately, price did what? Price did close, right? Boom. So with this candlestick closing, the coming candle was bullish. So we took our entries, right? We took our entry on this candlestick when it turned and traded bullish, right? And it didn't take us out. With the coming candle, which was bearish, which opened bearish, boom, took us out and reversed and closed bullish above our zone. That was it. You feel me? So with now this first candlestick I took an entry from, when it now closed, the coming candle took us out, right? And then closed bullish. Now trading above our zone, I was like, okay, now we're trading above our zone, right? We took our first entry and it was an L. With now price trading above our zone again, the only thing I waited for, it was for this candlestick to come and retest or come and test the zones and give me signs that we're failing to break. And that was it. So we took another entry again. Once our candlestick confirmed that we're failing to break, right? Once we had a confirmation of prices failing to break, I took an entry again, right? Same target, same zone, same thing, right? But unfortunately, price did what? Price took us out again. So was I right? Was I wrong? Was I right for taking an entry on that zone, or was I wrong for taking an entry on that zone? You feel me, people? So I'm not asking you all a question. It's some type of rhetorical question. It's a rhetorical question. I'm asking myself and I'm asking the universe, right? I'm trying to find answers because I also don't know. I also don't fucking know, man. I also don't fucking know how I took a loss, man. What the fuck? So, people, this is how I took a loss. This is how I took a loss. This is how I took a loss, right? Let me repeat this. Price was trading bullish, right? And I was like, if price pulls back and give me a sign that we're failing to break, I would anticipate what a potential head and shoulders pattern, right? In anticipation of price continuing to the upside. But now price did what? Price took us out, came back again, took an entry again, price took us out and came back again. So you can even check how price is trading on this very same zone, people. You can even check how price is trading on this very same zone. Price is respecting the zone. Price is trading above the zone, right? Price is still trading above this very same zone, but there's nothing for me to do, or there's nothing that I'll have to do, because today we're having CPI, right? A lot of shit can happen, right? A lot of shit can happen. So with a bonus, let me give y'all the bonus. Let me give y'all the bonus. Let me give y'all a bonus. So today on our CPI, if price don't break out of the zone, you can turn and be bearish, right, on resistance. But if price breaks out, then wait for a retest and we continue moving to the upside. Or if price fails to break our zone, then let's be bullish. But if price breaks out, then let's look to be bearish, right? Those are my takes for today. Those are my two takes that I have for the day, people. But either way, this is not a signal. This is not a signal video. I was just trying to share how I took a loss and why I took this loss. This is probably like a 65 or 68 pip, because I took two trades, 38 pip and a 40 something pip, 60 something or 70 something pip trades. But it is what it is. This your boy Harlem. This your boy Harlem. I hope y'all take something from it. That's all I got on this video. I'm out.